Remakeup tang achuwi khamadaya bauping. Manipur Governor ngapam Anisia Ugina Khuihaira. DSA Chandil Aina Stadium FC MOU Shoi Sangarok Haira. Leikhayangator Aju the Tangkhul Expressway Bau IKNGUIRA SHIMRAY Inabami Dale Bauping Mesa Ina Nganang Rumsa. Manipur we Tharada Kachishada Governor ngapam Anisia Ugina Khuihaira Otpam Jingashit Kami Angaran Angaye Aya Darbal Hall Raj Bhavan Imphali Khuigada Chief Minister and Biran Singaina Awe Council of Ministers Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker DH Sadia Brada Singh Chief Secretary Rajesh Kumar DGP B Tangkhul Kala Senior Officers being Wazanga. Out of Office and Security DG Manipur High Court we Acting Chief Justice MV Muralidharanna Sherva Samia Out taking ceremony with Tili Governor Gatharachina Raj Bhawan Alungli Guard of Honor Inspect Savalaga Chief Minister Cabinet Ministers and officials being Lake Harajan Gasa Sampanga. Sushri Anisia Ukili Manipur Governor ngapam mida ana LA Khanesanli Shingahai Gasana Lakhawa Khanesanli Nagaland we Governor Sakawai Kapang Sanghaira Sushri Anisia Ugihi Jintwara Madhya Pradesh Wimina ana Manipur we Tharada Kachishada Governor Musarang Lakha Chhattisgarh we Governor Sasaya DSA Chandil Aina Stadium FC na MOU Shoi Sangarok Haira Memorandum of Understanding G Jandil District with Sports Yang Sang Kami Official Organization Jandil District Sports Association Kala Bangalore Lee Base Kasa Youth Club Aina Residential Academy Stadium FC Anishina Ngashida Jandil we Kanutot Katamping Academy Jili Sangkawai Ngaran Ngaye Semhaira MOU Shoi Kasa Chili DSA Jandil we President DS Chamna Anil Aina Stadium FC with Sports Stadium Trust Managing Trustee Arun Phat Anina Mingnin Sada Zanga Trust China Youth Bingli Gadam Gashi Ainang Soda Football Development Program Mida Kalina MOU Shoi Gasam Angaran Angayeji Tweller Saka Gifi Japo Bazar Chandeli Kwigada Chile Stadium FC we Head Coach Lucky Kaliagala DSA Chantelwi Assistant GSNG Belling Moyon Anina Shaki Same Sadavazanga Miyangaroga High Atishuda Chantelwi Aina Country Take Now Bingli Academy Chile Train Sada Long Term Sponsorship Zingum Gatum Madi Panga Mivarada Ledele Chenang Soda Chandel District Lila Zingum Jishadaina Hapokja Tharada Madiaina Dangdawi Shinao Mayana we Crossroad Football Program Hapok Mikawai Miyangarok Haira Hope and Healing Rehabilitation Center Namakok Mida Aya Humpungli Health and Nutrition Care Maram Damgachite Angaran Angaye Kwika Haira Angaran Angayeji Humpung Dunre BBC Shopping Complex Liquigada Yarili Diabetes BP Mental Health Higata Musho Kawai Nutrition Care Manual Maramli Awareness Program Rungmia Awareness Angaran Angayeji USA Lekale Rahabs Dimli Nishigda Ngaran Mida Rahabs team with Dr. Saina Nurse Bingna Damchitemia Itum na Thaipai Rahabs teamna Madaila Gaina India Li Rinda or Sadale India Li Pasale Gasale Gazat Shinao Bingli Dim China Abong Gade Aina Ringkawai Training Gathamia Aya Ajontang La Mokok Majina Pungridang West Likale Happy Trails Brief School Lila Free Medical Camp La Rumida Avu Ava Naungara Bing Niyang Unlagaina Zangakui Sampanga da Hanga 2023 to 24 Wivang Manipur State Shorekarna Derul Supply Wivang Luba 1,592 crore allocate Sahira Manipur Finance Ministry we in charge Lasada Kalai Chief Minister and Piran Singna Ajontang Housely 2023 to 24 we estimated budget Jiteda Financial Kumhiwi budget Luba 35,022 crore Shika Aina Semi Haida Lechia Dodal 35,022 crore Wili Water Supply Wivang 1,592 crore Kala Sewerage and Sanitation we 466 crore allocate Sahira Budget session li Biran Nagahang State Shokarna Yarili Pipe Water Supplying Rin Kawai Projects Kamadaya Kani Singadali Project akana center na sponsored sa kami scheme Jai Jivan Mission kala akana Manipur Water Supply Project na fund sa kami New Development Bank da kani jiwi od kasali kahap sampang hailala full swing aina zadalaida CM na hanga. Tiri gadang marmay hauda ya rizai goruling rin mishap kawai da project chi Manipur Water Supply Project ling room kasang kasana chia. Thermateng kawai sanitation we shong yangaka Swachh Bharat Mission we azingli individual household toilets kamiay nang soda solid na liquid waste matada manage sa kawai hilik madaya sada yang sang dalay. Imphal City apam kai khali sewerage service mikawai rida Imphal Sewerage Project Phase 1 khuiga haira kachila CM na hangsanga. Imphal Sewerage System Phase 2 la externally aided project sada haupo kawai mayami haira Chiwi loan negotiation process la masang la haupo kaura chia. Imphal Sewerage System Phase 3 wiwang la state shorkar na kangaran sada leida CM na hanga. Manipur Portway Class 10 aina 12 examination rawada katam now bina mathada sakawai CM and Piran Singaina Education Minister na wishes mihera. Board of Secondary Education Manipur na runkami Class 10 exam ajuwi March mayo darik tharada thurukli haupok laga April khaying darik atumtang vakup ki kachina. Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur na runkami Class 12 exam na aji haupok laga April khaying darik tharada phangatang vakupra. CM Piran na Prime Minister Narendra Modi exam warrior aporali banda gahang porika thaki gachi katamnaw bingna warriors maningla warriors ngasaki gachina gaje katamnaw bingna khangang ba maningla ping singri aina valuda gazum sanga porika hina katamnaw akwe career ri gakhwili ngajon ki china da mirinli kan khana akha ngasada kui masala celebrate kasasa da khwiloda CM na hangsanga. Porikali marks mathada kakhui darkar salala kataili kangahan maningla khaladali ngahan ki gachina dahanga. Education, Law and Legislative Affairs Minister DH Basanda Kumar Nala examination ring phamai khawai shalam mira examination leak madaya hiwa mangachila khawai hina dahanga. Porikali riki gachiwa kangaran gasa hina da kangaran mathada sahayaka exam thangai maira gachi Education Minister china hanga. Mangachilu malung malat Mangachilu, malung madatunglu gachi hangda, gashap saigor mida saka, saman mathara da Minister Basandana kasatsanga. Kuki National Liberation Army Wimbi, Assam Rifles na tukui ga high bow sampangdale. ID bow athishu da prescribed outfit Kuki National Liberation Army, KNLA we active caters Madigala, National Socialist Council of Nakalim, and SCNIM we active cater Akada, Saparmaina, Kampokbi districtly, Assam Rifles na tukui haira, Chia. Achumli ajahon tarik magatang tukui na Chia, tukui ga high caters pingwing a chili, ngam kukin gaho, aming, hekin dalagazat, KNLA we chairman la zanga Chia. Tukui ga high gators ping kala atumling at hanzat gasa od ping yangang Bokpi police station lim isang haira chia. Latluida ajuwik mataya bauping. Manipur Governor ngapam Anisia Ugina kui haira. DSA Chandil Aina Stadium FC MOU Shoy Sangarok haira. Ajuwi bau hiling chang haira. Pao nga nada kalay na chumsay korali, ring kapagala kamahaya zimik siyong asasirano.